Well, our dogs and cats suffer arthritis and joint pain just like we do, and many owners are turning to a popular alternative that offers them relief without the drugs. Bethany hanging out with Dr. Jyl Rubin to show us how it works. Bethany.
Yep, we're at the Mobile Vet Connection in Orangevale with Dr. Jyl Rubin. Okay, so we have our wonderful model here this morning, little Callie, and she's got some needles going on here. We're doing pet acupuncture.
Pet acupuncture. Callie came to me because she wasn't walking very well. She had a back injury, and the other veterinarian referred her to us for some homeopathic alternative medicine.
And how has this changed her?
Well, I think Lady Di can attest to that. She wasn't walking at all, and now she's up moving and eating and doing great.
Mama Di.
You couldn't even touch her. She screamed in pain.
So are you surprised how well this works?
Oh, yeah, I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled. We love her, and it's so thrilling to see her back to her normal self.
Doing well, and she's kind of a little old lady a little bit.
Right. She's a senior pet, and so we want to make sure this works fabulous for older arthritic patients as well. We treat all sorts of gastrointestinal disorders, cancer therapy, all kinds of different conditions can be treated with acupuncture.
And you also have the laser, and I'm excited to see what happens with that, but we all have to put on our special glasses here. And tell me a little bit about what the laser does and who it works on.
Well, the laser, as you can see, has a little red light. What it does is it will reduce inflammation by about 40%. It does not hurt the pet at all. It's not invasive. It actually will help with arthritis. It's wonderful for wound healing, any kind of open sores, wounds. It will take about 40% of the inflammation down and the heat as well. And a lot of times we'll let the patient sit with their owner in the room. They just have to wear their safety glasses. And it takes literally anywhere from 3 to 12 minutes per session.
3 to 12 minutes, that's so fantastic. And we have Deja Vu down here who has a little cut on her back, and you said this is a great way to heal that up.
Right. This will actually heal cuts and wounds. It actually will help with inflammation post-surgical. Anytime we spay or neuter a dog, we flash it with this because it helps the incision heal by about 40% quicker.
And I just want to point out, Deja Vu is leaving the room now, but she has a beautiful coat. And when you first got her, her skin was she was just skin and bones. She had no fur.
Right. She's our skin cancer awareness dog. And she had mange, severe mange. She came from the shelter in South Central LA. She was going to be euthanized, so we took her in and we've helped her along. It's been about 6 months. As you can see, she almost has a full coat of hair. She's put about 18 pounds on since we've had her.
All that great diet that you were feeding earlier. We can hear the bird in the background. Okay, and then we also are doing a little pet chiropractics this morning as well.
Yes, this is called an activator, and it actually acts somewhat like a high-pressure sledgehammer. I'll take these off now since our laser's off. And what it does is it'll actually help Callie adjust her back. So she'll actually, it's kind of like going to the human chiropractor. What it does is it acts like a sledgehammer without all the extra pressure, and you can see she's kind of jumping a little bit.
But sitting.
She's
excited.
Right, she's sitting. She wasn't able to do that before. What this does is it actually will hit the muscle, cause it to relax, put the bones back into place essentially so she can walk again.
So what do you think is the benefit of skipping the medicines for the pets and going to a little bit more of an alternative approach?
I think every pet is a different individual. So Callie's had some medicines as well. I think it's nice to integrate Western and Eastern medicine together. Never forget about one or the other, but I think they should come together. Both worlds should meet.
I love it. Thank you so much, Jyl. And we have so many fantastic creatures in here. I'm going to go off and do a little playing with these guys.
Cool. Thanks, Bethany. If you have any questions for Dr. Jyl, you can email her at mobilevetjyl, that's JYL, @yahoo.com, or call 916-989-0738. Dogs getting better medical care than we get.